Hello children. Next lesson is about logical data. To work with logical data in spreadsheet software, you should have idea about the comparison operators. Comparison operators are these. I think you know this symbol, everybody knows, that is equal. In spreadsheet software, not equal, we will write it with this symbol, less than symbol and the greater than symbol, combination of that is called not equal. This is greater than or equals to, this is less than, and this is less than or equals to. We'll see how we can work with this logical data using these comparison operators. Right. First example is, children, this logical data always output true or false, right? So first example, we'll get 3 is equals to 3. You may notice the output is true. What about 3 is equals to 5? It's false. Okay, then you write down, you get copy down this note into your book, pause the video, copy it. After that, each and every example I am doing here, you can copy it to your book, right? So the first example I did here is this one. 3 is equals to 3. Definitely you need to type equal, otherwise it won't perform the work. Example, just 3 is equals to 3, it will display like a text data. This is logical data. So the next example which I type is 3 is equals to 5. The answer is false. The next example is, children, 3 is not equal to 5. What do you think? What is the answer? It's true. The next one, I would like to type 3 is not equals to 3. That is false, isn't it? Right? That is easy. So next I would like to talk about how we can use greater than symbol. 3 is greater than 2. True. 3 is greater than to 3. What do you think? True or false? That is false, isn't it, children? 3 is not greater than to 3. And next I would like to type here 3 is equal 3 is less than to 2. False. That is true. And what do you think? 3 is less than to 5. True. The next one is equals 3 is greater than or equals to 4. That is false, because 3 is not greater than to 4 and not equal to 4. And next one, 3 is greater than or equals to 3. What do you think, children? 3 is not a greater than. 3 is equal to 3. Yes. If there are two operators, children, if one is produced true, it output true. I forgot to type first equal. Type it here. Now you may notice here, that's how it works, right? Right. And 3 is less than or equals to 3. That is true, because it is equal to 3, right? Equal 3 is less than or equals to 5. That is true, because it is less than to 5 but not equal to 5, right? This you can practice. If you want that, you can copy down. That is up to you all. The next example is, children, equal 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. What do you think? It is true, because this example also you can write like this here. 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. Next one, 3 plus 4 is equals to 5. It's false, isn't it? And children, not only that, we need to learn about these also. Letters also you can compare. Alphabet here, I'll type equal. When you are typing letters, okay, capital O simple, I'll type it in capital. A is greater than to B. What do you think, children? According to ascending order, A is the smallest, Z is the biggest. So the same technique, same method we use here, Excel use here. A is not greater than to B according to ascending order. That's how it works. Keep it in your mind. Now false. What if I type A is less than to B? It's true according to how I say, right? Then I'll type here equal Z is greater than to A. That is true. Right, hope you understood. This is the basic level of things, and next you need to have an idea with the logical operation with this one. I think you already learned logic gates. You remember NOT gate. Always NOT gate, when you input 0, it output 1. Always opposite, right? You remember? And if you input 1, it output 0. If you remember that one, this is easily you can understand, right? Here I will type NOT open bracket. Okay, I will write only one logical condition, because you know in NOT gate only one input. Okay, then I'll type 3 is equals to 3. Within bracket, what we have, 3 is equals to 3. Then 3 is equals to 3 is what it will output, children? That one will output true, isn't it? So then it output true. Because of NOT, it opposite, children. False. We'll try out another one. Equal NOT. We'll type 3 is greater than to 5. 3 is not greater than to 5. Then it output false. Because of NOT, it output true. Right, hope you understood. And this is about in this level for the exam they made question, and we need to talk about the AND operation next. AND operation, you all remember, minimally 2 input is there. Because of that, here I'll type it like this: and open bracket, the first logical expression we will type easy one. 3 is equals to 3 comma, and 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. There are 2 logical expressions here. 3 is equals to 3, true, and 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. That one also true. Then AND gate, the both inputs true means it output true, or either 1 means it output 1. Then we'll see what is the output here, true. Right, then the next example, and I'll type same 3 is equals to 3 comma, and I'll type here A is yeah, we will type this one. A is greater than to C. What do you think, children? So A is not greater than to C, then this one produce false, and this one produce true. True and false is there. 1 and 0 is there in AND gate, it output 0. Then this one output false. These are very important to understand if you are writing exam, all over exam, right? Here next one is I'll type 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, and I'll type here not A is greater than to C. Okay, now see the brackets, how many brackets I have open and close. Here this one produce true. Inside this A is bracket A is greater than C, it produce false. And because of NOT gate, this one will be true, then answer will be true. Hope you understood. That is about the NOT AND operation. Next we are going to talk about the O operation. Okay, right, like this. O, you remember there are minimum 2 inputs. You remember truth table, how it works. And I'll type first example which I have tried here, and get 3 is equals to 3 plus 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. Okay, what do you think in O gate? True produce. this set produce true and this set produce true, then it output true. And next one, O, I'll type C is less than to A, and I type not. Now you can understand 4 plus 4 is equals to 2. Type 8. Right, another bracket we need to close. That is, then first one, what do you think? 3 is less than to A? No. And what do you think about this one? Inside there it is true, and because of not get it output false. I hope you had a good idea about this one. Please practice this much that you can and get it to your mind, and this is very important. There is no separate note, that's why I'm displaying here. You can copy down each and every example by pausing your video and then copy it to your writing book. Hope you understood that part. Then next I'm going to talk about a few calculations using formula. Now if I talk about formula, you remember, okay, here what is a formula truly? So we need to introduce, when you are performing calculation with a formula, you need to introduce cell and the way of doing it, what operation you have to do it here. Sometimes this expression will be very lengthy or long. That's how this function characteristics. Now this is a formula. Okay, this is a formula. Next I would like to talk about how to find a percentage value, right? Percentage value, that is very important when you are working with Excel. Think I need to find for this 5,000, 2% is how much? Then I'll type here 2. Okay, then how to find it? Equal the value, I will multiply by the percentage value. This is percentage 2%, and you know this. Okay, after that you can divide by 100. That's how normally how you do it at your mathematics book. Okay, there is another method. Okay, there is another method. The next method is you type 5,000 and you type with the percentage symbol. You type with the percentage symbol that is there on the numbers number 5 key. Hold shift and type. Okay, right. After that you type equal and click on this value, then into multiplication. Then after that this cell you don't want to divide by 100. These are the two methods that you can find percentage. Okay, and when you notice, okay, think value and think percentage symbol is there. Okay, here you need to find the whatever final result, and think value is 4,000. If you notice this way in your paper, 3 is here. How to perform the calculation? Now try to understand this percentage symbol is on the different location, not within this cell, right? Not within this cell. So then because of that we need to use this first technique, that means children into this. Okay, you can't do use this one, but if you notice that value in here, so you can do it with this second method. Right, children, you need to copy this one. Don't forget to write the correct cell address. This topic is how to find percentage value. Hope you understood this one. Right, pause the video and copy it. Clear? The next one is how to find percentage, children. Think sums value is there. Okay, I'll type few values. Okay, here a few values available. Okay, if someone asks this 5,000 is from this all the set, what is the percentage? So then first if you want to find the percentage, first you have to do is you need to get the total of this one. Then what I'm going to do, everybody knows how to find the total of this one. A1 cell, A2 cell, A3 cell, A4 cell and A5 cell. Press enter. This is the total. I thought of applying just a border, then easily you can understand what it is. And top and bottom border. Okay, this is the total of this all. Then as a percentage, 5000 is how much, how we can find. Very easy, children. You can type equal, then this is the part, this is the total, right? This is the part, this is the total. Then you can do part divide by total multiply by 100. That is the technique. Part divide by total multiply by 100. This is about, children, 29.46376. Okay, later I will teach you how to round off this value. Okay, now today we are trying to understand how to find percentage. Then if you want to find percentage, the value should be there and the total we need. After that, what did we do? We divide part divided by the total and into 100. And this one we'll try equal part divide by total multiply by 100. And next one equal part divide by total into 100 equal part into this divide by, so I made a mistake, part divide by total into 100. This way you can perform, but if you have fast technique which we can do this one, that is easy. What technique we have to use for this, that is, children, cell absolute. Here we need to use you can copy it using fill handle, but there are this case I think we need to cell absolute. However, first just we'll try to copy this one up to there. You can see it is, that one means divided by 0. Okay, so that means definitely there is a problem of this cell. We'll double click and see. Here this is correct, A7 A2 is correct, that cell address we want, but always I need to divide each and every value by this A6 cell, okay, by total cell. Okay, now what we have to do is, then you can understand, we need to absolute this cell. This is vertical calculation. When performing vertical calculation, you remember the row number will change. Okay, then what we have to do is, you can click on the left side of row number, then you need to include a dollar symbol. So after that you can click and you can drag up to here. Then that is how we can get by absoluting cells the result. So then double click and see the part is A5, it is divided by the total cell. That is correctly it works. You should be able to apply this cell absolute whenever necessary. It is very important. And don't forget to write down. I will show you the cell addresses and you do it, have experience. These are must in your memory how to perform, because we have to face this paper, no, not practical. You have to write this everything in paper. If you remember this, you can go for full marks. Hope you understand up to there, children. And this up to here, everything you practice and write down these notes, and finally we learned how to find percentage. Thank you, children.